Alright, so we are all packed up and we are about to hit the road. We are gonna, hello.
Hi.
We're gonna make our way to Manitou and up there by Colorado Springs. So I'll show you back here. We've got the trailer hooked up and we're just gonna make our way out. So we will check back in with y'all here in a little bit. Hank from RotoCityTech. Last night we made it to Trinidad, Colorado in the camper, and we ended up eating at a local Mexican food place there, and then we just pulled around the side of it and there was like a rest area with some trucks, and we just pulled the camper right next to some of the trucks and we stayed there last night. A couple things I wanted to cover were my wife packed the fridge with food items and whatnot we wanted to keep cold, so we just turned on the propane and I switched the refrigerator to gas instead of electric so that it could keep all the food cold as we were traveling. It's worked perfectly, everything's frozen and cold, so that is good. We made it here with this nice backdrop. We are outside of Rye, Colorado, and she'll pan the camera over here. We are at a place called Bishop's Castle. We're gonna go in here and take a look. This castle was made by one man that lives out here, and you're able to walk through it free of charge with just some donations. So we're gonna make our way and take a few videos walking through this and take y'all along for a tour. So we are parked on the side of the road here, and this is just a slight detour, but we'll show you all little clips of this castle. Come on.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
So we're here at one of the towers of Bishop's Castle. In the background, you can see that tower, and we were up right about there. We stood up at the highest point. Even Kelsey did it. So right now we're just in this second tower that's just like this metal ball structure. And anyways, so we'll keep going along. I think we're heading down from the castle, so hopefully we got some good video. So